Hey guys, so this is the video walkthrough for the Evaluate Your Landing Page Copy with ChatGPT assignment, which should take just a few minutes. So the assignment instructions here is identical. This is a Word document. You can download the instructions and follow along there. Or the instructions are also here, same thing, in Canva, okay? Or in Canvas. Okay, so if you did the AI-powered website builder assignment, then you would remember this was our prompt that we used to get the initial website copy. Now think of the website copy as the blueprint, the text that ChatGPT gives us that we can then use as a prompt in the website builders and create many websites that way. But this is essentially we're optimizing that website copy, that initial prompt, right? It's partially prompt engineering, really, is what it is. Not partially, but almost fully prompt engineering. But also, really, also a blueprint for our website, okay? So I'm just gonna punch this in again into ChatGPT. This is what we used last week to get the first one for the website builder. So I'm gonna give this to ChatGPT just so that I have this. So this is catching us up to speed from last week, okay, with our copy. So we have this in hand, okay? Now, now that we're up to speed with, we have this at hand, let's look at the deliverables, again, the bottom line for this assignment. And you'll see three things. Okay, so submit the following in a single, well-organized Google Doc or Canva doc. Your initial and revised versions of your landing page copy. So first of all, the initial one would be this that we have from last week. And the revised version is what we're about to do, okay? Which is only just gonna take a few minutes. And then your answers to the assignment questions. There's only 5, and they're pretty simple. And then 2 links: the ChatGPT conversation, which will show, which we have not gone over how to share before, but it's very simple, and I'll show you how to do. And then the card code link, okay? For any changes that you make on your website for this, either way, include a card code link to your site in this assignment as well, okay? Now, one more note on the fine details of the deliverables. When we get to number 6 here, it's gonna say, once we're satisfied with our new revised website copy, that we want to put it in the assignment submission in a text box and then do the same thing with the card code link. I like it to be as easy as possible, so if you want to just include it in this one doc, that's fine. If you want to put it in the comment as well, that's fine. The important thing is that I have both those links, okay? All right, so now let's do the assignment. All right, so we open the ChatGPT interface. Okay, we're going to copy and paste the following into ChatGPT. I am an entrepreneurship college student who has built an initial landing page for my business idea. Please evaluate the following landing page copy. I'm looking for constructive feedback on the following: clarity and persuasiveness of the message, quality and effectiveness of the hero banner, including headline and subheadline, the quality of other sections, headlines and subheadlines, effectiveness of the body text and call to action, effective use of SEO, search engine optimization. So is this gonna play well with the keywords that this is going to be based on our headlines? Is there a hook, and is it effective? Okay, so we do that, and that's number 2. So we did number 1, opened, and then copy and paste in ChatGPT. Boom, number 2. Boom. Okay. Now it's going to ask, sorry guys. Oh, okay, that's fine. Hold on. All right. Start this over. All right, and then now that I have this here, just to be clear, I'm going to also go down a little bit, and I'm going to take, copy and paste this one, okay? Because I want to add it in the same prompt rather than sending that first and then asking, because ChatGPT remembers conversations, past past conversations now. So if you've talked about your business idea before, it might just start doing it. So, but we want to use this one specifically. Okay. All right. And then submit. Okay. Here's a breakdown of your landing page copy with suggestions for improvement, clarity and persuasiveness of the message, strengths, suggestions. Beautiful that it gives us these suggestions as well. So you're going to want to read through all of that. And this here is not going to be good for our revised version, right? We're going to, so while it's still loading, there's a few things that we're going to have to do to this now. Okay, so after the prompt, paste your landing page copy for evaluation. We did that. We did that all in one prompt, in other words, right? We threw that at the end of the prompt, okay? And then now we're going to carefully read the feedback provided by ChatGPT and make any necessary revisions to your landing page based on the suggestions given. So you might not make any changes based on this, and that's fine. But the assignment is to read through it, and we're to do this process. But then, as you are reading through it, what often happens from an exercise like this is it will be like one, like two, but probably almost just one, maybe like one or two things that it says that are really, really useful that then you can go and hopefully feel inspired enough to want to go and change in your card website or in the other websites as we're moving forward, right? But for the assignment, what we're going to do, what we need to do is get this. Give me the full landing page copy incorporating your suggestions. So I'm going to copy that. That's copied to my clipboard. I'll look at these suggestions for a second, but well, I'll let you guys take the time to look at these suggestions because they gave a lot of good ones. But overall feedback is good at the end there. But reading through that is always very, very enlightening into your research into bringing this product or service to market, right? And making sure that you are building a situation where you have the highest likelihood of being a major success, right? Okay. Give me the full landing page copy incorporating your suggestions. Here's a revised version of your landing page copy with the suggested improvements, okay? Boom. All right, so as this finishes, we might like to change it a little bit or add a little bit, but it actually looks pretty good other than it's giving us a lot of words. But the prompt when we put this into another AI builder will we'll optimize it for website, right? In other words, it won't be just paragraphs, right? But this is good. All right, and then this is our CTA. All right, I think this is a lot of words in this one, so I would maybe be I want it to be a little bit more to the point, and there's a lot of sections, but actually it's not too many sections, and it's not too many words as I look at it. So it's really not that bad of one. And then just will be clear, if you ask follow-up questions to ChatGPT, then feel free to do so. Also feel free to give it directions if you feel you're not getting the answers are clear, the format you need, like the things I was just saying. All right, so now we're in then number 6 again, the idea. This is just, again, the links. So once satisfied with the output, copy and paste the ChatGPT conversation link. All right, so before we do that, let's create our Google Doc or Canva doc. I like Canva docs, but either one is fine. Both have the same situation where you have to make sure that you do share public link, okay? But create new doc. Okay, so we'll, evaluate landing with ChatGPT. Okay. It'll look nice. All right, and then so initial website copy. All right, and now we'll copy and paste this first one that we had from last week. I'll just go back over here, and there it is. Yeah. And then, it always is nice if you can make this maybe not that, just very nice and visible. okay? And then revised website copy, okay? And then I go back over here to the new one, copy and paste. Okay, now we're getting real close, guys. Now what I would do is we gotta answer these questions. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I skipped the sharing the link from ChatGPT. Okay, so let's get this link really quick. Share, and see how it is share up here in the top right. Okay, and then your custom links instruction message after. Yep, create link, copying, and then now it's copied to clipboard. See how it's already copied to clipboard. A public link to chat has been created. Okay, and then now I gotta move this back over, and now I can go back over here and I can let's paste it right here. You know, in fact, let's just be really nice. So links. Okay, there's a ChatGPT link. Oops, I'm sorry. Let's do this. Link to Convo with ChatGPT. You put it just like that, and it will be good for credit, 100%. And then I do link to card website. All right, and let's do that real quick. So I go back to a card, and I go to my dashboard, open dashboard, and this is my and now I can't, not this one, definitely not this one, but I need publish changes. You just click that, always, and then now you can copy it from right here or view site and get it here, right? Whatever your name is, .card.co. That is always the link we need for card. Okay, and then there's that. Okay, all right, and then so initial website copy, and then revised website copy, and then we need our 5 questions, and we answer those 5 questions. I would just do it just like that, and then here's my answer, and I don't know, we can make that not bold and give a space here. Maybe no space. Either way, as long as it's there and it's readable and stuff. So, and then there's our answers. We put the links at the top. So let's look at this once more and look back over here. How are we doing? We have the initial and revised versions of your landing page copy. Initial version, a revised version. Good. Your answers to the assignment questions, down here, okay? And 2 links, ChatGPT conversation and link to card.co link, boom, and boom. You submit that, and we're good for this assignment. Really, it should take just a few minutes. As you can see, this entire video right now is 13 minutes long, but it was probably a few minutes of extra talking. So awesome. Good luck, everybody. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out. I'm available to email as much as I possibly can. So reach out. And good luck.